welcome to our first Learnist class, which is all about Pablo Picasso. Be sure to check out our website and our Instagram if you'd like to know a little bit more about Learnist. Today, we'll be going over one of the famous artists, Pablo Picasso, who was mainly known for his cubism work. Pablo Picasso had an ever-changing lifestyle. Even as a kid, he was always interested in art. His father was a painter and an art teacher, so he was always around just art in general. He was born in Spain and moved to France. In France, he learned about many different artists, became friends with a lot of them. He then produced over 1,800 paintings and 1,200 sculptures.
Pablo Picasso had a long name. His full name was Pablo Diego José Francisco de Paula Juan Nepomuceno María de los Remedios Cipriano de la Santísima Trinidad Ruiz y Picasso.
No. Pablo Picasso kept changing his art style throughout the different periods. So through 1896 to 1900, he stuck with realistic portraits, such as the one you see over there. And then through 1901 to 1904, he moved to the blue period, which was just painting in a lot of blue tones. Then he moved to the war rose period, which was just pink shades and brighter colors. Next was the African period, which were based off African masks and inspired by them. By 1908 to 1912, he moved to analytical cubism, curvy, unrealistic, and geometric. By 1912 to 1914, synthetic cubism was formed, which was collage and simplistic, and using many geometric shapes. Next was the neoclassicism period, which moved back to realism and more natural works. Moving on was surrealism, which was something he helped form, which was bright and wavy and geometric. So as you can see, his art styles have definitely changed over time as he made his artworks. It went from more realistic to surrealism. So we're gonna do a little activity to learn just a little bit more about the art style that he helped form. This is a style of modern art that is made of geometric shapes, collages, and planes. It shows all the different possible viewpoints of a person or object. It was first started by Picasso and Braque. The artwork was made by cubes and many other geometric shapes. So today we're going to do a Fish Pablo Picasso activity, where you get to know a little bit more about cubism. So in the link in our bio, you can see a printable Picasso sheet, which has the fish. And so the first step is to take the printout and just color it however you like. Next, you want to cut them into pieces exactly like how I did and split them apart. Then you can rearrange them however you like, which sort of replicates the cubism style that Picasso helped create. So the next activity is the project, which is Roll a Picasso. You guys will get to make your own Picasso portrait. So to do this activity, get a dice, and if you don't have a dice at home, you can search up one online and just roll between 1 and 6. And so first roll for the face, and once you do that, just if you roll a 1, do that shape. If you roll a 2, do the circle shape, and so on. And you keep doing that for the eyes, face, nose, and mouth until you have a human. And the next step is to customize it by making your own hair and ears. And you can see my sample on the right, and on the left is one of Picasso's famous paintings. Yeah,
Yeah, so this is a really fun project slate you guys can all try out. So don't forget, for every single category, face, eyes, nose, and mouth, you want to roll your dice again, new, every single time, in order to get a new incredible masterpiece, just like the example we have right here.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you guys come back next week for our next session.